One of the causes of nail breaking is dryness in the nail. That's why it is important to rehydrate the nails in order to have a strong, long, and not breakable nails. If your nails are looking like the one I'm showing you, here is a natural nail hardener using olive oil, vitamin E, and lemon juice. You need to add 3 spoons of olive oil in a small container. Open 2 vitamin E capsules and add it to the mixture. And then add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Shake mixture a little bit. Remember, you need to mix it very well every time you apply. Apply olive oil mixture in the entire nail, cuticles, and skin around the nails every day for about 30 minutes to see nail growth, strength, and hydration. Each ingredient has great properties to help it to regenerate breakable and peeling nails. Olive oil will deeply moisturize nails and cuticles, which it will strengthen and hydrate your nails. Vitamin E will protect the nail and the skin around the nail from damage and encourage healthy growth. Lemon juice will get rid of the yellow nails and promote strong nail growth. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to be part of this organic family, and share this video with your friends if they're looking for a natural nail treatment to stop nail breaking. I hope to see you on Friday. Pura vida!